You know,
I
it's
just
not.
feel. I guess I feel sorry for the. I feel sorry for the person that opens that wrong little can there.
Oh,
You know?
yeah, I regret it every time I call you.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Cannibalism is alive and well.
Mm-hmm. We found the turkey today.
One of my friends up there. Did I tell you he butchered his own turkeys?
Oh, no.
Yeah. Like, I knew he's been, like, growing chickens and shit. I didn't know what for. He, like, he got into bees and blah, blah, blah. It's all the rage now, you know, fucking whatever.
You can't have a turkey and then kill the turkey. It's not like
and it's a big
we're not
not just one, two turkeys, 35 and 40 fucking pounds.
we're not barbarians here. You get the naked turkeys at the store.
I didn't even like bother to ask why. I was just like, I'm not gonna get into this right now.
I mean, especially something that's that big. That means it's been around for a minute.
You've been throwing this motherfucker, right? That's your friend, goddammit.
I know. I mean, it probably had a name.
It probably did. This is Mike, not anymore. You rude as fuck.
Turkey was probably all excited and shit when dude showed up to feed it. Oh, Master's here with some food today. Yay. Probably did a little dance just for him, and then he gonna go out there and kill it.
Let me call you back. I just got to my sister.
Okay. Tell her I said gobble, gobble, gobble.
Gross.
Don't tell her I said that.